Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on making patterns. In this video, students will learn to recognize patterns, and they will also be able to draw missing items from a given pattern. Here's a very simple example. Ask students to draw the next two shapes in this pattern, and when they look at it very carefully, they'll draw a yellow circle and a red square. So you would explain to them what a pattern entails so they get the idea of what's required. Fill in the missing item in this pattern, so when they see the way the flowers are arranged, the flower they'll put in here will be like this one. Draw the next three shapes in this pattern, so we have a star, the arrow circle, star, arrow circle, so they'll draw star, arrow, circle. So you have to explain that to them, how we have the repetition here, and that helps them to draw the next three items. Fill in the next two numbers in this pattern. They will quickly recognise that these are the counting numbers, and they should be able to give you the next two. Same with the letters. They'll recognise these are the letters of the alphabet, and they should be able to give you the next two letters. Here's a very interesting one. Draw the next light bulb that is situated where the arrow is pointing. So they would be looking at these light bulbs here and to see if there is a pattern. If they look carefully, they'll see that there is a pattern here, and if they have any trouble, just give them a hint, and then they can draw the next light bulb here with the appropriate colour. They have a look at these shapes here, those five shapes, they can work out if there's a pattern, and they can draw the next shape here, following on from these five. A little bit more challenging here, but again you can give them whatever help they need. Ask students to draw the fourth row in the following pattern by colouring each marble with the correct colour. So they draw a row here, they'd put all the circles in, and then they'd colour them the appropriate colour to fit in with the pattern. Colour the following row of circles in such a way that a pattern is created. Use three colours. So we can give them a little bit of flexibility here to see if they can actually work out how to create a pattern themselves using colours. This is an interesting one. Draw the next fruit in each of the following four patterns. So there's a pattern here. Draw the next fruit. There's a pattern. Draw the next fruit. Same with here and same with here. In which direction will the next arrow point in the following pattern? Draw it. Again, if that's a bit tricky for them, just explain to them what's happening. So patterns are a wonderful exercise, and they are the start of a skill that we need for problem solving. So it's a very important skill, and when students become excellent at recognising patterns, that helps them with problem solving.